Today at the Quick Speed Shop, I'm playing with AMC Eagles. Alright, I got my 86 parts car over here. I got my 84 wagon right here. It's time to get that car fired up. It's been sitting here for a year and a half. I want to fire it up and see if I can get it in the shop. And we're going to cut it up. So the first thing I do is see if my 84 will fire up and back it out of the way, and then we're going to work on that car. Oh, there's the plow truck Jeep. Got to get the plow Jeep going too for winter. She's a little cold-blooded, but she fired up. Alright, this guy here is 1986. It's got 100,000 miles on it. But the front frame rails are all rotted out. The suspension's actually collapsed on this side. And what I'm going to be using it for is sheet metal to restore my 84. So I had to pull the starter out of this and put it in the Jeep plow truck. So I got the old starter in here, which works half the time. I'm going to bolt that back together. I got to blow up the rear tires, slap a battery in it, and we'll see if it fires up. She's a little tired, but she still runs good. Burns a little oil, but 203,000 miles, she's still kicking. Let's go over here to the other Eagle. There we go. I had to put the battery in backwards because the ground cable's not long enough, but I got it. Let's see if she'll fire. We'll see if she pops on spray. Uh-oh. Yeah, all the plug wires, they're like loose. All the plug wires seem like they're super loose. Uh-oh. She fired once. Here we go. Killed the battery. Let's go get another battery. I think this battery's gonna be too big to fit in here, but we'll see. Hold on. Leaking fuel everywhere. Leaking fuel. What's going on here? Ah, here comes the snow. The rain and the snow's coming. Hold on, I gotta get a screwdriver and tighten down top of the carburetor. Sleet and snowing and everything else out here. Why is this leaking? Float might be stuck. Float might be stuck on the carburetor. Might be running out of gas. The gauge is showing 0. I think it's out of gas and it's snowing and raining out here. I think I might wait till the weather gets a little less inclement and come back and do it again. I spilled a lot of gas on the ground back there, and I was a little nervous about the fumes under the car, so I wanted to get it out quick. But I let it sit for like half an hour until they went away. But she's purring like a kitten. I thought only gremlins multiplied when they got wet, but apparently eagles do too. That's an AMC joke for you. Hey-o! Man, this thing runs like a watch. A digital Timex watch. Oh. Well, there we go. Just an awesome AMC cold start extravaganza here with 2 AMC Eagles that have been sitting. This one we saw in the previous video, it's sitting for 5 years. It's running pretty okay. The gas is kind of old. This, oh, where is it? That one over there has been sitting for a year and a half. It's got good gas in it now. It's running smooth as silk. 100,000 miles, 200,000 miles. 2 blue AMC Eagle wagons. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm going to put the circle on my wagon. Right there on the wagon. Hit it. Putting out new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. And thanks for watching. Please come back to the Quick Speed Shop for another exciting day of whatever's going on here. I'm getting gassed out. I gotta go.